Imagine a world where your TV viewing activities become limitless and custom tailored just for you. Today, we're diving deep into the true potential of IPTV Smarters, uncovering features unknown to many. Before we start, here's a game changer. Use 2TV.store to get IPTV content like never before. First, let's get you signed up on IPTV Smarters and navigate through its intuitive interface menu. Once downloaded, exploring the app features such as channel playlists is straightforward and exciting. Customizing how you watch is crucial. Adjust settings for the best viewing experience now. The app offers tools to switch viewing modes and save your favorite channels for quick access. Discover how watching globally isn't confined. Access international channels with a few clicks. Timed recordings and playback settings ensure you catch every moment of your favorite shows. The seamless integration of on-demand content keeps entertainment fresh and diverse always. Don't miss special features like adaptable themes to suit your interaction style with the app. Unlock parental controls to maintain safe viewing environments for younger audiences easily. This tool integrates effortlessly with smart home systems for optimized, modern comfort. Dive into why 2TV.store offers the best variety, unmatched quality, and stellar customer service. Viewers worldwide rely on IPTV Smarters with 2TV.store for a seamless, superior streaming experience. Unlock, explore, and revolutionize how you consume media by mastering IPTV Smarters today.